We don't know what we're being told.
We don't know what we're being told.
But school is getting really old.
School is getting really old.
It's not fun anymore.
It's not fun anymore.
Our brain can't take it no more.
Our brains can't take it no more.
This is just too hard for us.
This is just too hard for us.
This is just too challenging.
This is just too challenging.
We don't want to learn no more.
We don't want to learn no more.
Our brains can't grow no more.
Our brains can't grow no bigger.
We give up straight away.
We give up straight away.
We are done with this
We
learning.
are done with this. We're not being challenged. Nothing beats learning something new. Nothing beats learning something new. Our work is harvest friend. Our work is harvest friend. We want to start a new trend. We want to start a new trend. We don't mind if it's too hard. We don't mind if it's too hard. We don't always get it right. We don't always get it right. We want our brains to grow really big. We want our brains to grow really big. Learning's always fun. Learning's always fun.
How come you are all so chirpy and happy?
Yeah, like, why would you want to go to school and learn?
We love coming to school. Instead of giving up, I don't just give up. And when it gets too hard, we just try our best with it positively. And we are determined not to give up. Why would you want to give up? Why would you not want to give up? Yeah, it's just too hard.
If it is hard, then that means you are being challenged.
What do you mean, being challenged?
Well, a challenge isn't something that is easy to do. Yeah, school isn't always supposed to be easy.
What do you mean, it's not supposed to be easy?
If learning was easy, then are you actually going to be learning anything new?
What? I don't understand. What do you mean?
When you're learning something new and it feels a bit hard or challenging, then that means your brain is growing and becoming stronger. And if learning was easy, then you aren't actually learning anything new and your brain won't get stronger.
What do you mean my brain can't grow stronger? Yeah, your brain is like a muscle. The more you challenge yourself, the more your brain grows.
I don't quite get this. Tell us more.
Well, we love being challenged and learning new things.
And when you do something new or try to do something that seems a bit hard, you are actually learning and growing your brain.
But how do you know that your brain is growing?
When something gets too hard for me, I just give up. Well, think of learning like a pit.
Okay, so learning is like a hole? Kind of.
When you start learning something new, for example, when you scored soccer or a new way to solve math problems, you're super excited to find out and try everything.
I think I get this. But you don't always get everything the first time. And if you don't get something the first time, what do you do?
Well, we try again.
Actually, that is the power of the word yet.
Like, you can't do it yet, or I can't do this yet.
I get what you think, but sometimes it's just too hard.
How do you feel when it's too hard?
Pretty bad.
Frustrated.
Exactly. That is when you know you're at the bottom of the pit.
But then what do you do?
Well, what are your options? I could ask somebody for help that already gets it.
I could reflect on what I've done and why it hasn't worked.
And think about what I could do differently or how I could improve.
Exactly. The key thing is to stay positive and be determined. You may just not get it yet.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Yeah, learning is awesome. All it takes is having a positive growth mindset.
The power of yet.
Yet sounds like a pretty powerful word. I think I might have to give learning another shot then.
Me too.
Me three.
Well, let's go challenge ourselves in room 5.